Hi everyone, I'm Renupriya of second year B Form and I'm here to present BMC, namely Business Model Canvas about Hetero Healthcare Private Limited. And here we go. Hetero Drugs is an Indian pharmaceutical company and world's largest producer of antiretroviral drugs. Founded in 1933, the founder was Dr. B. Parthasarathy Reddy. The headquarters at Hyderabad in India. Overall, 22,000 people working here as employees. It has marketing presence in over 127 countries. Globally, Hetero has supplied antiretroviral drugs to patients more than 100 countries. While, while the key resources are under various categories like intellectual resource, human resource, physical and financial resource. Human resources comes under the scientist resource and students. Intellectual resource via license and patents, while investors are comes under physical resource and local implantations worldwide comes under for physical resource. Key activities are here to develop product and licensing, to communicate through sponsoring, by marketing and to provide promoting and to sell. Key partners: Global Health Group is engaged in research and development, manufacturing and marketing of healthcare products. Main activities of their turnover and importance are pharmaceutical for rare disease, oncology, nephrology, aging, diabetes, biosurgery, prevention of thrombosis, cardiovascular disease. Research and development to prevent, treat, and cure disease while coming to real needs of patient and providing them appropriate therapeutical solution or constant innovations. Constant innovations is very important to attain their goals. And clinical development, marketing and distribution, creating value through partnerships, availability of performance of drugs. Value creations. Creating value by providing quality and potential medicines. Medicines are cost effective here. Medicines with high potential and low reaction period. Availability of products in market.